My girl, you need to do research before you become a queen. I am a queen. Omukuboya yasamabwa. You are a princess. You're in a group. Bachatambulira mu kibasi ky'ekigati. Gyenvudde gy'ojja. So I know your journey. You don't know my journey. Bonobo no osobola okwachivinga ku myaka gyendika emikulu. No achivinga nofuna byenfunye ku myaka gyange. Bwe tuba tustakinga ku kiki nina. If you have to put Hellen Lukoma on a price, girl, don't attack your parents. I am a mother. Soko zale kubano jet wogere. My friend, I am a miracle maker. Mukyali mu group ya babiri. Bachakutwala mu basi y'ekigati. My friend Kachere, you better achieve what I have achieved at my age. Do not attack your seniors. Don't come attacking me for my 10 years. You've only moved 1 fucking year. Do not make me look for you. Netombuza me achieve in myaka 10 because you might never achieve them. Ndi bulungi.
Bakuyisizamu eggaali yayoke.
Eggaali ki sinagiraba yadde gamba ki?
Abaana bakataleya ne kano bavuddeyo ne bagamba myaka 10 gy'omaze mu industry toyina ndo.
Ani yayogedde?
Kataleya.
Yaliwo omumanyi wegata.
Ono Kataleya yona alinga omunyalwanda.
Naye nga yavudde ku kyokyogera.
Bo myaka gye bamaze mu ndonge.
Yavudde ku ki? The interview that I said I can't give them advice. The truth is, sometimes people ask for unsolicited advice. Naina interview we bambuza mbabwe advice. Nze sobola bawa advice kuba honestly sinzi yabaleta mu ndongo. Nange be najja mu ndongo najja nzeka. But I wish them all the best. Those girls are doing so good. Abalabo, I appreciate their music. Naye kati nabo that I feel like omukuboya yasamabwa. What I'm saying is, at the end of the day, I am queen. I am a queen. Can now my advice to a princess, Ani, Ogambiani? Kataleya. My girl, you need to do research before you become a queen. I am a queen. I am not attacking any other queen. Sina queen mulala gwe attacking. You are a princess. You're in a group. Bachatambulira mu kibasi ky'ekigati, right? Babatambuliza mu basi y'ekigati. Girl, one day you're going to be in a solo career. Naye bw'onatuuka ku solo career, maybe tujja kutula twogere. Ate Kataleya nkunoonya kati. Nkunoonya ate nze ni mukazi mukulu. N'emyaka meka 55 ni mukazi mukulu. Nkunoonya. Ku myaka gyange nkunoonya. Ate sikunoonya mukwano gwo nkunoonya nga muzadde. Kubanga nina abaana. So nkunoonya. Bwe naakulaba tujja kutuula twogere. Si kibooko tokisussa. Tujja kutuula twogere. Yeah. I would never insult a fellow artist, a fellow queen. Naye okyali mu princess level. Do not insult me. You know my journey. Gyenvudde gy'ojja. So I know your journey. You don't know my journey. But wonobo no osobola okwachivinga ku myaka gyendika emikulu. No achivinga nofuna byenfunye ku myaka gyange. Okyali meka lina meka 18, 19? Girl, bo hitingire gyange no achivinga nofuna byenfunye. Then we shall talk. But at the end of the day, I want to upload you guys have great music. Nebo de nga Kachere.
Kachere chechi.
Aja kitegeera. I don't want to make it sound bad. Sivanga yone kwa advice omufu. Bambuza tinyiza bawa advice. Ekitufu kino so about advice. Sinze yabaleta. You have to go on your hustle and make it work. Nga naffe bwe twakola ne gwe mbuza kyenfunye mu myaka 10. Girl, bwe tuba tustakinga ku kiki nina. If you have to put Hellen Lukoma on a price, otandika butandisi. Tonaba na kutandika baby.
Una Range Rover.
Naye nekyo nakyo nina n'abaana. Bw'ova ku Range Rover nina abaana baby. Soko zale ku bano jet wogere. My friend, I am a miracle maker. So don't play with me. Yeah? Kachere. Don't play with me. I am a miracle maker. Ndi muzadde. But also, saa kuteka mukyala munange wansi. As I said, I am a queen. You are a princess. Sikuvumangako sikutekanko wansi. But maybe interview yange wajikwata bubi. I don't need to give you an opinion. Sina kuwa advice kujoli. You know kyeyitiramu. Okirabe naye omuntu wambuuza nti nkwe advice ku kiki oba oyitamu. Muvuddeyo, you're doing good music. Naye mpozi ogambe Kataleya aliwa naina. Yeah. Girl, Don't attack your parents. I am a mother. Ndi mukazi mukuru sijachegana, my friend. But I believe in your career. I believe in your music. Joli jenava. So don't attack me, because if you do attack me, nja kunonya. You can call me Lukoma. Ulinye ya maje. Love yange ya guru. Yaga metama music wange. It's okay, baby. Muchali mu group ya babiri. Bacha kutwala mu basi ya Kigati. When you go solo, look for me. Yeah? When you hit my age, meka 55.
55.
Ne miaka 5 mwetano. When you come to my age, we shall talk. The Turana.
What do you stage performance yo ne yabwe? Hellen Lukoma moderating out.
Stage performance. First of all, I am those girls' fan. I am a fan. You guys are doing good. I have been in a group of HB Toxic. Your 2 girls have been 2 girls. I think you girls are doing amazing. Simanyi kulwachi tuvayo nojja notandika okumbuuza byenkoze. Baby, nja kubuuza byokoze mu myaka gyange jijja. My friend Kachere, you better achieve what I have achieved at my age.
Welcome group of sessions. Bote banana tukana.
Tabanaba. So let's not get there. Let not media take us there. Because, baby, I am an achiever and I have achieved. Do not attack your seniors. You are a junior and I'm not attacking you. I'm honestly giving you an opinion. Bambuza, obani advice yinzo bawa. Sijina, you guys are achieving. Mukola bulungi muli bayimbi balungi. But you wait when you go solo, yeah? Tujja kwogera. Ate nkunonya ogambye aliwo ku babiri. Yo. Do not do that. But still, Kataleya, baby, don't attack me, yeah? And then to the other one, Kandle. I am sorry if I came off offensive. Baby, I didn't mean to attack you guys. I didn't want to give you guys advice and an opinion on your career. You guys are doing amazing. And I'm proud of you. Mukola bulungi, muyimba bulungi. Bambuza oba sobola opinion about your career. I cannot give an opinion about your career. Kuba sinze yabaleta. Honestly, sinze yabaleta. Unsolicited advice is bad. But I wish you all the best. Ate njagala balabe nga mushininga. But don't come attacking me. Don't come attacking me for my 10 years. You've only moved 1 fucking year. 1 fucking year. At the end of the day, Kachere, yeah? Ndika meet. When you get there at my level and my age and my achievements, you will know. But right now you can't know. And I don't want a queen to put another queen down. But I am a queen. Kubanga nsoro bazala. Right?
Bazala?
Inabana babidi, my friend. I brought life to this world. They haven't. So tetuchiteeka wonga mbeera. That is the honest truth. So nsobola. Naye nga temwagala ntandike kunoonya yani? Yoyo. Do not make me look for you. Ate wenna kunoonya nja kunoonyanga muzadde. Yes? So baby, don't bring any shit around, yeah? Mbagala nnyo. Amanya gange Hellen Lukoma. Siri mutandisi wa ntalo. Ne tombuza me achieve nze myaka 10, because you might never achieve them. You just might never achieve them ku myaka gyange.
Toyina kyolagawo. Gwe bo olaba balagawo ku mwaka gumu gwe balagawo.
Gwata kitegedde. Yagambye atya?
Myaka 10 bo ku mwaka gumu gwe bamaze balina kye balagawo.
Kiki balagawo?
Bo musical tolinawo bo balinawo.
Kasita bamanyi ku myaka 10. Kati tubalinde their double. My girls, my name is Hellen Lukoma. I am a queen. You are princesses and I respect you. Ani ayogedde ono yani?
Kataleya.
Oyo. Baby, do not attack me. I have never meant to attack you. But at the end of the day, make sure by the time you hit my age, you have achieved what I have achieved and you have gone through what I have achieved and you have survived what I have survived. Ate nkunoonya ng'omuzadde, sikunoonya nga mukwano gwo baby. siri kachere ndi kamit tuwete kamba kachere. It's not a war, it's not a fight. I simply said I don't have any advice for you kubanga sinze yabaleta. Honestly, sinze yabaleta. I don't need to give you unsolicited advice. You guys are doing so good. Nze ng'omukyalo omukulu, nze ng'omuzadde, nze ng'omuntu abadde mu group y'abantu ababiri ne ngenda single. When you go single, then we can talk. It is not a fight, but if you want to make it a fight, then I shall look for you. Ng'omuzadde.
Bano obawa magezi.
At the end of the day, I think interview bagikwata bubi. So sina magezi mangi gembawa, but baddeyo mu interview bagisome. But babasazeewo okuba bakachere. I really don't have a lot to say about it because bachala banange. At the end of the day, I am queen. We're all queens. But I'll put them in the princess level. Bachali bana bato, and they are achieving. But I would also like to apologize to one of them, Atali Onoyan, Omlala, at Kandle. Because Ongambie, then I listened to Kandle's interview. I am sorry, woman to woman, whoever interview ya vayo bubi. But the truth is, I simply wanted to tell those people that sina advice nyizabawa because you guys are achieving a lot. Mufunye munyo mukoze nyo. Unsolicited advice. Tukuza abantu batwa advice netu misleading. Bana yo mulala ayagala okumbuza kye achivinze mu myaka 10. Baby, until you become a solo artist, baby, until you achieve what I have achieved. Ngabo ngambe ndi mukyala mukulu ate ndi muzadde. Until you achieve what I have achieved at my age, then you will ask me. First of all, you are in a group of two. I have been in a group of 2. Baby, BMPC move your jamu. Do not attack me. Do not attack me because I am not attacking you. I'm simply saying my truth. But bobo sobola ate obo yagala nja kukunoonya. Nandibo muzadde naye nja kukunoonya. Ne bwe kiba tekisobose. Osobola okunoonya kapakati. Noonya buli omu wa COVID. Kapakati ayinza okukusobola ya. But I can't. I am a mother. I am a queen, baby. I wish you all the best. Siri mu lutalo naawe. Sinze sikyavugira mu basi nti bankimira mu basi etali yange nti bajja kungobamu. I'm not in a group of 2. I am solo. Until you stand solo, baby, come talk to me. Amanya gange nze Hellen Lukoma, sirwana ntalo ate sinoonya ntalo. Naye njagaliza bakyala bannange. But wekiba kisoboka nja kunoonya in my skinny self. Nja kufuna. Ate nja kunoonyanga muzadde. Kubanga nze nina abaana. Ndi mukazi mukulu n'emyaka meka? 6. Ndi mukazi wa myaka 6. When I find you, yani oyo. Yani? Kendo? Tonyiza bamama bo. Tusabe sale mbia. Much respect and love to all the women in music, in all the women in talent. Do not attack me, because you might never achieve what I have achieved at my age. You can call me Lukoma.
Seeing you on the picture today, they are launching Beloved.
Yes.
Is it that all awaiting? We've been working on. We've been looking for you. Be like, no. I'm still working on something. Yeah.
Yes, I've been working so hard. I've been sleepless nights. Beloved. It's a new series. You guys need to watch it on Palm Magic Prime 148 and Go TV 303. Yes.
What's in the Beloved? What's all about?
It's a family story. It's a beautiful story. It is a drama story. It is a beautiful story. Abantu banaganda byetwagala tubaletire bemwagala so mubirabe bannange.
It's about a family issue.
Yes.
Did you deal with Chifampa? Chifampa related story?
Bino ebintu si bya kika kyange naye bino ebintu bya business. Tukola munyumirwe netabiriko ku business yange.